Your oven heating element is working, but you are not satisfied with the baking result even after you calibrate oven temperature. The next step, you should check the oven sensor here. Oven sensor is a thermistor. Its resistance varies with change of the temperature. The oven control reads resistance change and reacts, closing or opening relays to switch power to oven heating element on and off. This is the oven sensor in the middle of the broiler heating element. So you can disconnect this connector to check the oven sensor, the resistance. So you press here down and unplug this. I used the multimeter to measure the resistance. It's about 1099 ohm. Look at the chart. It's about 77 or 78 Fahrenheit. Look at this chart about the temperature and the sensor ohms. If your reading is less than 930 or bigger than 2900 ohms, you need to replace the sensor. Not to mention if your mirror is open or short. Next, I will lose the screw and take out the oven sensor. Put it into the pot. To heat it up, I will measure the resistance at boiling temperature 212 Fahrenheit. The chart shows it's supposed to be 1374 ohms. Our reading is 1372. It's pretty accurate, so the sensor is good. The next step, after I took off the cover, I want to verify if the oven sensor, the harness, the cable, go to this control board, it's good. It's no open or damage. So you can see that is a blue and the yellow wire. They go to this connector. So let me unplug this to check this. Let me take this plug out, and I can easily use the probe to check this two wire. Okay, you can see this is 1019 ohms. That means the cable from this connector to the oven sensor is good. If your oven won't heat up properly, look at this video, how to check the heating element and how to replace it. If your oven heating up is okay, but the baking result is not good, look at this video, how to calibrate your oven. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos coming up. See you next time.